Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to hide archived chats on Telegram. So to do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram, and after that you can archive any chat that you want, and to archive any chat you have just to go and swipe left, and after that click on archive and your chat will be archived. And to hide the archived chats, you have just to swipe. You have just to swipe left, like that, and click on hide. And as you can see, the archived chats are hidden. And if you want to show them again, you have just to scroll down like that, and as you can see the archived chats are like available again and you can see them. So we will repeat, swipe left and they are hidden, and just scroll down and they are available again. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.